Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new business organization on the Uber Drive application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the account button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Then scroll down and tap on Business Hub, which is the fourth option. Click on Turn On and tap on the Create New Organization button, where you can set rules for travel expensing and invite others to charge eligible trips. Here you can click on the Create Now button at the bottom of the page. Type in the name of your team. Then you should type in your business email address where the app will send receipts. When your team takes trips for business, click on the next button and then you can add a payment method. Here you can type in the card details, and basically that's it. Your Uber for Business will be set up. So that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.